Hi, guys, and welcome to Forex Trading, your trading group. I'm Cash, my partner is Cram, and we're both here to teach you guys everything day trading in these markets to start making you profitable on a daily basis. On the daily basis, okay? And also, guys, we're not a buy or sell channel. If you're looking for someone who's going to tell you and send you signals when to buy and sell, then this is not the place for you guys. We're pure technical traders. We analyze these markets, and based upon that, we take our trades, make our money, and get out of these markets. Also, we're not financial advisors. So any risk that you take upon yourself. Don't be risking more than 0.5 or 1% of your capital at any given point with any given trade. All right. With that being said, I'm going to start sharing my screen. Okay. Can you all see my screen? Yes, Zero. Thank you so much. Zero is always there to tell me, answering all my questions. Okay, guys, whilst we were So now what's happening with EU is that now if you want to start, okay, now this is a chop on the left. I ideally wouldn't be taking any sort of trades until we cross this demand. But if you want to sell into demand, you can do that for EU. But the better shots will be below our demand zone. Okay, to this area first. See like how we're catching support. This all chop on the left tells me that we need to wait. We have to be patient in these markets, right? Okay. Okay, we can buy into the supply if we want. It's totally up to us. Okay. Obviously, the better, bigger break of structure will be above the 1 8 resistance. Dailies all the way up there. This will be a good break of structure, and this will be even a better break of structure. But since we're trading on London, let's try to catch zones. Okay. Okay, this is US 30. Why are we getting rejected from this area? Even though this is a good break of structure, we're getting rejected because of the psychological area 34500. This is a psychological area. That's why market is taking time to break it. They're not able to break it. So now the buys, I personally would recommend above the supply zone. Okay, that's what I would recommend. Now, if you see on the left, you see how beautiful, clean this is over here, right? So that's what we're looking at. That's what I would recommend. If you want to sell, you can start selling into this small demand that is sitting over here in this area. Obviously, the bigger demand is over here. I haven't marked it again because this is London when we're trading zone to zone and we don't get those many moves on London. Okay, so that's why I have not put the bigger demand over here. This is a smaller demand, which is also a strong demand that I've put on 1 8 support. So let us see what they're going to do. But for the sells, since they're trading just in this zone, we can sell into our smaller demand. Okay, if you want to do that. Now we want to look on the left and see this wick. Try to see that maybe we'll get sort of some sellers over here, not sellers, buyers over here. Okay, and then if you break that, we're falling down to our demand zone. This is about a 20 pip move. So this is how it looks like. And again, for German, again, you can take from 15-minute to daily support. These are going to be aggressive sells. If you're up for it, go ahead and absolutely do it. But for people over here, safer positions will be here, keeping in mind how choppy London has been. We've been getting moves, but not for market open. Let's try to keep ourselves below our daily support and our buys above our supply zone. Okay, that's it, guys. Okay, we're trying to sell. Clean move right now. Look at that. Now, if you want to start buying, also, you can start buying from here as well, from 15. Because if you go on the left, you can see that if we break this area on the 15-minute resistance, we can go up easily. There's no issue. Okay. But for the sells, short positions, here. Always, always, always look for structures. Okay. Always look for structures. That's what we trade, guys. We trade price action, break of structure, supply and demand zones. That's what we trade. And if you've got that figured out, trust me, these zones, this analysis becomes a lot easier. If you want to buy, you can buy over here also. Okay, but I'm just gonna keep it here because this is not for everyone. If you feel like you want to buy, you can buy from 15-minute resistance as well. We break this will be good buys. Okay, guys, I'm gonna come to the chat. Good morning. Good morning, Kyle. Good morning, Neha. Dylan, Dushyant, Ayan, Susie, Zero, Anuj, Kyle, Sirius Dan, Azatu. Good morning, good morning, good morning, guys. I hope you all are doing well. Okay. I'm not in on anything, guys. Good morning, Baha. I'm not in on anything at this point. I'm just looking at the structure. I'm looking for good break of structure to enter in. I'm okay not to trade. I don't want to get into the trades that are not going to play out. So yeah, let's wait, guys. Again, I always keep repeating this thing on lives, that three things a trader needs: consistency, discipline, and patience. All three things are going to make you a better trader each and every day the more you develop these qualities on a daily basis. Without patience, discipline, consistency, you cannot trade these markets. You cannot do anything, be it any kind of trading, be it scalping, be it swing trading, whatever that you do, you cannot do it. So these three things, if you want, keep it on in front of you, or keep a wallpaper on your phone and just put it that discipline, consistency, and patience. You have these three things, it can be an amazing trader. Okay, good morning to our YouTube fam. Good morning, Tarun. I don't do um gold for London. Gold, CramFX does for New York. So maybe you'll have to wait for that. Good morning, Rai Group Creation from Nepal. Good morning. Good morning from Forex Trading from all of us. I would recommend you guys go ahead, go to the description and join our Discord server. There's a link over there. That'd be better for you guys because, again, you'll be a part of our private Zoom members. You'll become a private Zoom member, and then with that, you won't have any lag, like you always have on YouTube. Okay. Feel free to ask any questions that you have. But yeah, I'm not doing gold for London, guys. We do all these four charts for London. Okay. Is anyone in on anything? Nope. Good. Okay. Seems like EU could move with market open. We're getting CPI July for EU. Let's see, guys. This is market open. Okay. EU trying to break our demand zone, not able to. Okay. German 30 try getting into our demand zone. US 30 is just indecisive at this point. Patience like the ocean. Yes. For me, I don't trade Fridays, just here to watch. That's amazing, Azatu. Congratulations if you're following that. Look at that. We're trying to fall. This is just an impulse on German 30 at this point. We're trying to fall. We need to close below our demand zone within our green box to give us a signal that yes, this trade is going to work. And that is also not enough. We need one more confirmation. Um, the same, and that is retest, rejection from our previous support, demand zone, and then we fall down. W on DAX, Manoj. Congratulations. Congratulations. Please don't forget to put it on success stories. Okay, EU trying, guys. Whoever likes to trade EU. Tusu, if you're here, I know you like to trade EU. So if you're watching that, look at this. Impulse. Okay, impulse on EU. I'm going to keep. Okay, US 30 is also moving. Everything is giving impulses at this point, but guys, but be careful. These are just impulses at the end of the day, right? You can always wait for the first 5, 10, 15 minutes of market open and then decide the kind of momentum that we're going to get. Okay? How we can join your live Zoom meeting. So, what you have to do, right? Group creation is you have to go to the description on YouTube that is there below the video, below the live stream that you're watching, and over there there's a there's a Discord server link that we have mentioned over there. So you just go over there, join our Discord server, and on Discord server every day you get this link to join our London and New York live stream with us. And that's how you can be a private member. Okay, and it is absolutely free. Our streams, our live streams are absolutely free, and also there won't be any lag. So just go ahead to the description on YouTube and join our Discord server. There's a link for that. Okay, look at that. They're trying to fall, guys. They are trying to fall. Okay, they created a smaller double top and they're falling till the demand zone, but let them break the demand, guys. Let them break the demand. Ooh, look at German and look at US 30. Ooh, beautiful, beautiful impulses on both. Wow. I don't see no level on the left for DAX. I have to go to the higher time frame to get a level, but on the fives, I don't see no level. Okay. Yes, it's London time. Let's look at Forex Scalper Pro. Everything is going oversold. GU trying. GU is on the 5 minutes trying to go oversold. It's already oversold on the 15s. US 30 trying to go oversold on the hourly. Already oversold on the 4 hours. EU, everything is trying to fall, guys. Every single thing. Look at that. Impulse, good impulse on EU. The best thing about trading these forex pairs is that they move slowly, even though there was news for EU, EUR. I don't mean EU, EUR. Then also it's moving slowly, guys. Okay. Okay, and we can't forget that there's one more red folder that is opening up as well. That is also CPI. Okay. Ooh, wow. I am gonna be looking at my. It's everything is tanking, guys. At this point, everything. GU is not doing anything. Wow. Wow. Everything is falling, guys. Maybe go to the Ali. Wow, nothing on the left. Okay, there is some information out there. If you want to fall, maybe we can fall to this area or maybe this area. Let's see. Let's see. Wow. Is anyone trading this, Manoj Kumar? I hope you left a small position running on German 30 because we've been tanking. W on DAX Kion, congratulations. Only EUR and GBP to be traded on London time. No, it's not. It's nothing like that. You can trade anything that you want, but according to the market open, these instruments they move differently. For example, Nasdaq moves beautifully for New York market open. US 30 moves beautifully for New York market open, but Nasdaq sometimes doesn't move that well for London market. So we try to do US 30 more than Nasdaq, depending upon the volume and liquidity. There are n number of factors that you have to consider while trading these charts. First thing is liquidity. If I see that USDT has more liquidity and USDT is going to move more based upon the structure and so many things, I can't cover up right now. But yeah, but mostly for London, there are some instruments that are going to move better. It's not like the other instruments are not going to move; they are going to move irrespective or whatever. But some instruments will move better, and some instruments will move better for New York. Okay, that's it. Look at that. They're catching buyers. Okay, now this demand zone has turned into supply. Let's turn this into supply. Okay. Ooh, strong, strong area of support. Hmm. Okay. Wow, guys. Look at this. Now, if we look at it, we'll think that okay, these instruments are moving really well. Look at the pips that we're getting, but this is not good. One candle is filling the whole zone, going up and down. They're not choosing one direction. One candle is going down, the other is going up, filling the whole zone for about 20 pips. That's not good. That's really, really not good. Okay? You're watching first time, Bilal? Just watch. If you're here for the first time, just watch. You don't have to trade. And if you actually decide to trade, then maybe get on a demo account and try to practice on that, and then put your own money into these markets, because these markets are challenging. Okay, why it's not good? One candle is telling me that sellers are in control and they're pushing down. One candle opens up with that much momentum and it's pushing up. They're not giving me definitive move, right? If they had broken this demand zone and fallen down further, I would be like, okay, this is good. But if I'd actually entered and left my position running, or I thought maybe that we're going to go down further from demand zone, I had not realized my profits, I would be in a big, big loss. Okay. That is why these candles are not good. This is just push and pull between the buyers and the sellers, buyers and the sellers, buyers and the sellers. Okay. Look at this. We're getting rejected over here. That this is now they need to close. They need to cover more than half of this candle and then close below. Then maybe I'll be like, okay, okay, that's exactly what they're trying to do. They need to cover more than half of this candle and close below that for me to think that okay, maybe we can fall down further. Okay, but they're not doing that. They're playing around with us. They're trying to hit our stop loss. That's what they're doing. EU, maybe they're doing this right now because we have one more red folder that's going to open up in a couple of hours. Maybe that is the reason why they're acting like this. And I don't like it. I don't like it. I don't. But if you were to trade this impulse, you would have made money. But then again, this doesn't go well with our strategy, right? Um, there was no retest. There was no rejection. This rejection is not a good enough rejection. Um, there's manipulation in these markets. Whenever there is news, whenever we have red folders opening up back to back, either for London or for New York, this manipulation is expected, and that's exactly what they're doing. Okay, manipulation, guys. I'm gonna just put the buys over here. Okay, if you want, you can take these buys. This is just chop. I don't know. Everything is trying to be a little choppy. Okay, I myself haven't taken a single trade, guys. Which is the best time? Like we need to wait for 5-10 minutes before taking trade in London. Yeah, I mean that's always best. you should wait for 5, 10, 15 minutes of market open and then go ahead and take those trades, because 5 minute then opens the next 15-minute momentum. That is when we actually um, get the moves. When I say get the moves, we understand where the markets are going to go. Either they're going to go up or they're going to go down, because when market open happens, there is a gush of volume that enters in. There are a lot of people sitting in, like us retail traders, who are thinking from this area, oh, we're going to fall, so they're just putting their position down, 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 and they're just going for shorts, and the market goes down. Then over here, because this is also in and around a psychological area, 3445, there are a lot of buyers sitting over here, so that's why they got so many buyers from here. So many retail traders within that 5 minutes got excited and put their buys buy, tuck 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 tuck. Buys happens, they go up. This is what happens. So that's why we have to wait. We have to wait for this push and pull to stop happening, for these retail traders to, we're also retail traders, don't get me wrong, but we are smarter than these people. Okay, we're trying to decipher the language of these candles. We're not trying to move the candles, because we know that we don't have that much volume with us to move these candles. So we're trying to decipher what these candles are trying to tell us. We're not trying to move them. When you try to move them, this is what happens. This is what retail traders are doing at this point. Okay, and that is why there's so much of shop. They thought with news they'll take it down, they'll take it down. They actually did, but then they didn't realize that this is a psychological area. So many buyers must be sitting over here, so they got support from this area and they went back up. This is just manipulation in these markets. Retail traders, sometimes they think they're extremely smart, but they're not. We have to be one step ahead of them. We have to think like market makers. Okay, market makers are not sitting and trying to get this move. Market makers are not doing that. Okay, they're not. They don't have to. We have to think like them. I did not get into this trade. I did not get into this trade. I did not get into anything. Why? There was no confirmation for me to enter into anything. Okay. I tried to catch the retest on DAX, but took a little L. That was dirty. You should always and always wait zero. Okay. Always wait. But it's okay. Fridays, news. And other than that, also, you need to have losses. And if you're not having losses, something is wrong. Even though you're having small losses with your feelers or bigger positions, see, if you're smart, you'll only have losses with your feelers. So if you're having those small losses, it's okay, and that's exactly what a trader needs. If you're making bigger losses, then you need to reconsider some things before entering these markets. Now, that is something wrong if you're having bigger losses in these markets. But if you're having smaller losses, that's actually good. Congratulations. That means you're trading and you're trying. 0.1% is nothing, zero. Nothing. Okay, guys. Chop, chop, chop. Red folder opening up. Yeah. One more red folder opening up. That is the reason why. Um, chop. Okay. They're waiting for that to happen. They're also waiting for the next hourly momentum to kick in. And that is why there is chop. Okay. There's nothing for New York today. There is no New York today happening, by the way, guys. Okay. There's one more red folder that's going to be opening in another 1 hour, 45 minutes. That's also CPI July for EUR. Um, So yeah, that's why all of this chop. Maybe wait. Maybe wait till that time to take your trades. Maybe wait till that time. Maybe wait for the next hourly momentum to kick in to give you those moves. But before that, be careful. Okay? Be careful. Red folders. These are news folders that open up about the economy of different currencies. They affect these charts, and we use them as catalysts and trade these markets, make up pips. These are what red folders do. Okay, look at this. Catching buyers from this area. Chop, 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 chop. I told you all, this whole zone. Again, everything is choppy, guys. Let's wait. Okay, this is the next 15-minute momentum that has entered these markets, and they're trying to take the markets up. Okay, maybe they'll go, either they'll make a double bottom inverse. If they're trying to make an inverse, they'll go up, or if they're just making HNS, maybe from this area, from 15-minute support, we'll get rejected and fall down further. Possibilities. There are a lot of possibilities in these markets. These patterns are ever changing. These levels are always changing, and we sort of need to get accustomed to all of this and trade according to that. These markets cannot move according to us. We need to move according to these markets. CPI is a very, very big folder. It should be red. My FX book is showing red to me for EUR. It should indeed be red. CPI is a big, big, big event. And if Susie is saying that, then I believe her. And if you all go to my FX book, which is an app that you can download on your phone, if you go and check that, it will show you that it is a red folder. God, guys, I don't want to trade this. I am getting out of these markets. It doesn't seem like it's going to move like anytime right now. Um, so that's it, guys. If you guys have anything to ask, there are no people on YouTube as well. Literally zero people. Um, I'm gonna just finish the session, because why to sit and get into the trades that we'll regret later on. You anyway have my levels. You can trade after that. Please, patience. This is what I talked about. Have patience. Um, and wait for these moves to play out. You want to get into buys, you can do that for you. And also, guys, for one-on-ones, there's one spot that I've opened up. If anyone is interested, if anyone is new over here and you want to learn how we do this, please go ahead and join our one-on-one mentorship program. I have one slot that I've opened up. If you're interested for that, please go ahead and DM me. I'll just put it on the open chat and I will message you regarding the same. That's it, guys. This was a choppy session, but doesn't matter, guys. We have to come every day. It was choppy right now, but I can promise you these moves are going to happen. So please mark these levels so that you can trade later on by yourself. Have these levels. And please go ahead and put it on success stories, okay? Whatever you learned, even if you didn't make any pips. Guys, success stories is not only if you make pips. If you're learning something every day through these markets, I personally know that I am, and I've been trading for that long. So there is no way that you guys are not learning every day from these choppy markets, okay? So go ahead and put it on success stories. Whatever that you learned today, whatever that you liked, whatever that you didn't like, I would really, really appreciate it. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much. I will see you all next week. There is no New York that's happening today. Um, have a great weekend, guys. Please don't trade further. Please, please don't trade New York. If you're by yourself, please don't trade New York. I've given you levels for London. These levels are going to work till New York, and maybe after that, if you can make use of it one on ones. I know you all can make use of these levels for New York as well. So if you want to do that, go ahead, do it. Make use of these levels. I'm just gonna minimize the charts also for you all to see this. Okay, that's it, guys. Thank you so much. I will see you all next weekend, and don't forget to put it up these things on success stories. I would really appreciate it. Bye, guys. Bye, YouTube fam. We'll see you all on Monday.